If your business is in the field of veins, then the American College of Phlebology's Annual Congress is the place to be. Held in Los Angeles this last year, the 2011 conference delivered the bright lights and glamour often associated with LA, wrapped around creative content and a friendly atmosphere. Keeping a finger on the pulse of what's going on in the world of veins is crucial to the evolution of vein specialists. By presenting cases where a number of different treatment options can occur, the American College of Phlebology does an excellent job of fostering interdisciplinary interaction and promoting the best possible therapies available.
Well, the ACP has always been my favorite event of the year because I can come and I can meet friends and we can share information, and from a clinical basis, that's so important to see what everybody else is doing, to understand what they're doing, to share this information with your colleagues. It's such a collegial place that everybody shares information, and we all do come from different backgrounds. We are a very diverse, inclusive group, and that's why I've been back every year.
The vein industry is in a period of rapid change and innovation, with more advanced technology emerging every day. ACP practitioners are sharing more and more of this information together while working to meet an increasing consumer appetite for sustainability within the healthcare arena. Building on their strengths and voice within the phlebology community, the American College of Phlebology remains fresh in their approach to deliver the most comprehensive educational content. Showcasing the latest techniques, technology, and scholarship, while constantly searching for new educational methods, the American College of Phlebology proudly delivers the most relevant venous information to multidisciplinary physicians, allied health professionals, and industry representatives on a global scale.
Whether it's superficial thrombophlebitis, whether it's venous ulcers, whether it's demystifying a swollen limb, all of these are challenges that we face. When coupled with dynamic speakers that are highly credentialed, you leave with a sense that you've really learned something.
An essential trade show for product launches and the physicians who love them, it's the year's most complete conference where physicians, nurses, and technologists alike can discover, discuss, and compare the latest technology they've often only read about or seen in industry publications.
As a vendor, we have a lot of opportunity to exhibit at a lot of different types of show. ACP is the type of show that brings our particular type of customer, if we can call our physicians customers, to us. And it gives us the opportunity, again, to get to know them on a level besides just that space of professionalism. It allows us to get to know them on a more intimate level and what their goals are to build their practices.
Practitioners want to learn more and more about the treatment of venous disease. The Annual Congress is a unique opportunity to see and listen to key leaders in the field. With a confident tone to this year's conference, the American College of Phlebology delivered pertinent information to the beginner as well as established practitioner.
When you look at those who attend this event and the fact that we have true novices, we have seasoned providers, and we've got true legends in the field, it's important to have something for everyone. And what went from being my experience with this device or vein treatment with endovenous laser in this country is now more about a disease process and many different ways that it can be managed.
This is a perfect place for us to meet new vascular physicians. The vascular physicians taken on a bigger role in the treatment of chronic swelling. So patients with lymphedema, phlebolymphedema, venous insufficiency, and venous ulcers. And that is the target that we're after. So this meeting ends up being the perfect place to find them.
Connecting is monumental to physicians and caregivers in today's healthcare environment. One thing is for sure, no other conference embraces a multidisciplinary body of physicians like the American College of Phlebology Annual Congress.
The ACP really was the first organization that collected all these doctors who were interested in venous disease and put all of us together so that we could exchange ideas and learn from each other. I think one of the great things about the ACP is its inclusiveness. So we welcome anyone who has an interest in venous disease. The IRs come in and give us their perspective, the surgeons come in, give us their perspective, primary care comes in, gives us their perspective, and it all makes our understanding of the venous disease as a disease process, and also venous disease from the patient's point of view, a lot more comprehensive. It makes us better clinicians.
It's a unique opportunity to see and feel the latest technological advancements and to listen to key minds treating vein disease.
The ACP is such an inclusive organization that I heard all week during the meeting, people would say, "This is the friendliest meeting I've ever been to." And that's the essence of the ACP. It is a friendly organization. Everybody is very willing to share ideas. It's not like most medical meetings. It's a much friendlier atmosphere and therefore much nicer to go to.
I've been coming to the ACP for the last 4 years. Every time I come here, I add something to my practice that enhances patient satisfaction and my ability to deliver quality care efficiently. I think you learn a ton both in the lecture hall and outside of the lecture hall, and it's invaluable to my practice.
I've always found that coming to the ACP Congress gives me an exposure to the best people in the field in this country. You have particularly enjoy the advanced lectures, because after you've been in the field for a while, you want to know more and not just the basic material, although I will admit that I go to as many of the basic lectures as I can because you always find something that fills in a gap in your knowledge base, and those gap fillers are sometimes very helpful in your clinical practice.
This year was by far one of the best meetings we've ever had, but every year we have always seemed to raise the bar, and next year we will even make it even better. And things are changing in vein care, and we keep our finger on that pulse, and we change with it very rapidly.
From innovation to quality education, the American College of Phlebology's Annual Congress continues to attract and deliver a diverse range of top practitioners and foster growth in the field of vein care. All said, the American College of Phlebology brand continues to impress and head steadfast into the 21st century.